and welcome. If you're new here, my name is Tiffany.
My name is Audrey.
It's the next day now, but we hope you enjoyed that little clip of us getting our first Every Plate box, seeing what was inside, cooking the first meal we made. I think it was like chicken legs with veggie sheet pan bake, something like that. It was really good. The whole family enjoyed it. Our overall review on Every Plate is that we really liked it and we recommend it. Now, we bought the box with our own money, but either way, you can always count on real honest reviews, and our real honest opinion is that we recommend Every Plate. We're actually going to be trying out a few different meal delivery services over the next few weeks. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of the reviews. But as far as Every Plate goes, we really enjoyed it. It's easy to order. Their app is really easy to use. You can change up your meals, skip weeks, cancel if you need to at any time, even just right off the app. Super simple. All of our produce looked good. The meat looked good. The ice packs were still frozen. They were starting to thaw, but everything was still really cold. The only item issue we had was one of the mustard packs had a little hole in it, so we didn't use that one, but there was plenty of extras, so it worked out for us. I can see where if it was a different product, it might have been an issue, don't you think? But it worked out for us, didn't it? Also, Every Plate does not individually separate the meals, but that wasn't an issue. I kind of liked the cardboard box that all the produce and everything was in because we just slid it in the refrigerator. It worked out perfect. They are one of the most affordable meal delivery services. I think I can get you a coupon code, promo code, and I think it's for $20 off. I'm going to try. If I can, it will be down in the description box, so make sure you look for that. And yeah, overall, we really enjoyed Every Plate, and we look forward to doing some other meal delivery service reviews for you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to join our family, and
See you next time.
bye.